Guys, good morning. This is Dawal here, and you are watching KD Architect. So, welcome to KD Architect. So, today in this video, we'll talk about something wall. So, in this video, I'll make the wall having a brick veneer having a 1 inch air space. So, usually in the US, the brick veneer wall will be placed over the stud wall in the front side of the house. So, how you guys can make this kind of wall in the Revit, we'll see step-by-step tutorial in this video. So for the better understanding, keep watching till end. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So as you can see over here on the screen, in the level 1, I have already made one type to show you what is the wall having 1 inch airspace plus brick veneer. So we'll see how to make this kind of wall in the single wall. So we'll add different layers and materials in this wall type. So let's start. So first of all, I'll make one wall. So for the wall, I'll use the WS shortcut. Now over here, we'll choose any type of wall over here. So over here, let's choose generic wall over here, and I'll make one wall over here. Okay. Now over here, select the wall, and now here from the edit type, we'll over here duplicate the wall. Now over here, we'll give the name. Let's say brick veneer plus let's say stud wall 2x4 stud 2x4 stud wood stud. We are using wood stud, so for the wood we'll use WD wood stud like this way. So over here like this way I have given the name of the wall, and one more thing we can add over here, that is over here, let's say airspace. Let's write air only, and again plus. Okay, that's fine. So over here we are giving name brick veneer plus air plus 2x4 wood stud, and now click on the OK. Now over here just you want to click on the edit type, and over here we'll add different layer. So to see the preview, over here we'll click on the preview. Now over here we have only one layer, that is our structure, and over here we have core boundary. So now on the structure, we'll add over here material first of all. So over here, just click on the three dot. And now over here, I have previously made 2x4 stud material. So in that material, you can easily make this kind of material. Let me show you. So first of all, let's search any kind of material over here, wood. And let's select the cherry for now, and यहाँ से आपको उसको duplicate करना है. And now here you can give the name, let's say wood stud. So here I'm giving the different name because I have already made one material, but I am showing you to show you how to create material. And now over here we have created material. Let's search WD. So yeah, over here we have material which we had made previously. So over here in this material we can make the few changes. So in the graphics over here we'll change the surface pattern over here. So for the foreground we'll use the solid fill over here, and click on the OK now. And for the RGB color over here we'll choose this one, and click on the OK. Now for the cut pattern. So what is the cut pattern? So if you place the wall, and if you see in the plan view, wherever the wall is cutting, the cut pattern will show over there. So this is the cut pattern. So यहाँ पे आप जो भी pattern assign करोगे वो pattern आपको cut view में दिखेगी, I mean plan view में वो show करेगी जहाँ पे भी wall cut हो रही है cut plane से. Now over here we'll assign the diagonal pattern. Let's say this one is let me search something appropriate. Okay, this one is fine. 1.5 mm diagonal. Let's click and click on the OK. Now over here we have assigned cut pattern and foreground pattern in the material of wood stud. Now click on the OK. Now as you can see over here we have in the wood stud we have pattern. Now over here we'll assign the thickness. So we are making the 2 by 4 stud wall having brick veneer. So over here we'll give the name enter the value 2.5 inch. Okay, so if we are using 2 by 4 stud, so in the actual size of the stud that is uh, जो उसकी डेप्थ है वो उसकी 3.5 इंच रहती है. So that's why we have added 3.5 inch for the stud. Now over here if you see we have interior side over here. Let me small this one. Okay, that's fine. Now, if you see over here, we have interior side and over here we have exterior side. So interior side will add one layer. So just select any layer and over here click on the insert. Now, drop it down over here. Now we have one layer over here. Now we'll choose for the function, we'll choose finish. Now, in the category over here we are providing gypsum wall board. So we can over here assign the gypsum wall board. Let's search gypsum. Okay, so we have one material gypsum wall board. So we have assigned and we'll keep the thickness 1 by 2 inch. Okay, that's fine. Now for the over exterior side, so as you can see over here we have one layer of gypsum wall board. Now again click on the insert and नाउ इस लेयर को आपको ऊपर की तरफ मूव करना है और टुवर्ड्स द एक्सटीरियर साइड. नाउ वी हैव wood stud CWB finish. Now we'll add over here another that is our layer of let's say here we are choosing substrate. So now here we'll add plywood layer. So let's assign the plywood material. So let's search. Yeah, okay, let's search plywood. Okay, so as you can see we have assigned plywood. So we'll give over here thickness of 1 by 2 inch. Enter. Now as you can see we have a stud wall having substrate plus GWB finish. Now we'll add layer of air. So just click on the insert and now over here we'll choose the thermal and air layer. Select on that. Over here we'll assign the material. Let's search the air. Okay, so if you see we have air material and over here we'll assign the space, I mean thickness, that is air space of 1 inch. Now as you can see we have 1 inch of air space. Now we'll add the final layer, that is our brick veneer. So the thickness will be 3.5 inch. So just click on the insert and now here we'll choose the let's say finish, or you can choose the substrate also. And now over here let first of all we'll assign the material, that is brick. So let's search brick. So as you can see we have two material, brick common and brick soldier course. So over here let's choose the brick common for now and we'll assign the thickness 3.5 inch. Okay, so as you can see over here we have pattern already in the material for the brick airspace plus over here we have plywood, then we have stud, that is our 2 by 4, then CWB finish. So almost we have completed the wall layers over here. Now as you can see, let me give you overview over here. We have brick common over here having thickness 3.5, then 1 inch airspace, then plywood sheathing, then wood stud and GWB. Now let me finish the wall over here. Edit assembly, click on the OK. So here we have one error in the row 2 layer function priority cannot be assigned because in the layering we have priorities. So over here let me find the issue. priority can be assigned from the core boundary to the finished face. So let's make some change over here. Let's choose the finished material first. Click on the finish to, and let's click on the OK. Okay, now that's work. Now, if you see, if you go in edit type over here, you will find overall thickness. So यहाँ पे जितनी भी thickness हमने assign की है, so this is the total of that. So overall thickness you can see over here, and click on the OK. Again, click on the OK. So over here we have created brick veneer plus air plus 2x4 stud wall. Click on the OK. Now, as you can see, previously I made this wall and I have created this type to show you how to create this kind of wall. So like this way, you can create this kind of wall. So over here, in the plan, the wall is cutting. So over here, in this third, we have assigned pattern that is visible over here. Similar way for the brick also, we have 1 inch as space plus wood stud having substrate of plywood and 1/2 GWB finish. So this is how you can create the wall type having a brick veneer over the stud wall. So like this way you can create this kind of wall in the Revit easily. So I hope you like this video. Please leave one like if you really like this video and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.